Fadal has been providing customers worldwide with affordable, reliable, and easy-to-use CNC machines for over 50 years. With a variety of models, Fadal has the right machine for any CNC needs. From small machine shops to large manufacturers, we can help you minimize downtime and maximize productivity.
Fadals, because of their simplistic nature, are very reliable machines. You don't have a lot of extra moving parts. You have what is necessary for a good running machine that's going to last a long time.
We're building a kind of a standard machine that's very high quality. Dual range spindle providing a much higher torque than your industry standard at 220 foot-pounds, which allows you to cut more metal at a more rigid rate.
The high torque matters the most because you can take the heavier, deeper cuts that some machines, especially nowadays, don't have the torque to produce. And that's the great thing about Fadal is you can bury a tool in there and just hog on it. We machine all sorts of different materials, whether it be high carbon steel, low carbon steel, structural, stainlesses, Inconels, aluminums. The great thing about a Fadal is you have the capability to have high torque for some of your higher carbon steels and the speed for cutting aluminums as well.
With a 2-year, 4,000-hour warranty, we are the one-stop shop CNC machine manufacturer. Not only do most of our machines come with a standard 10K RPM spindle and a dual-arm tool changer, but our controls come with a high-speed machining capability, 4 gigabytes of memory, and 3,000 block per second look ahead, increasing your production efficiency and machining capabilities. On top of that, our machines include our 3-stage chip separation system, monitored spindle cooling system, and monitored PDI lubrication system to keep your machines running better for longer.
It's very simplistic and easy working on a Fadal. The controls are very user-friendly.
They have a functions page, a quick code page that is great for being able to do can cycles and removing material without having it to go to programming and have CAD CAM do the program for you. You can do it all at the machine. So a lot of people that have older Fadals going into the newer ones have no worry about their programs not being compatible. You can take the older programs and run them into the newer machines without any hesitations.
If you're a machine shop looking for a reliable, high-performance machine tool, Fadal has you covered. Our machines are designed for machinists by machinists, with a focus on delivering the speed, accuracy, and durability you need to get the job done right. Give Fadal a call today.